Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: update and connect. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are on the latest updates, on the same Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth is enabled. Open Photos and pick the album or images you want available on your watch. Once done, unlock the iPhone and keep the devices near each other. Next, you'll use the Watch app to select specific albums and control storage. This is where you move from preparation into the actual sync setup. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Photos, then choose Synced Album. Select the album you prepared. This tells the watch which images to pull. Next, adjust photo limit to control how many images transfer. This prevents filling limited watch storage. Make sure the iPhone stays awake and nearby while the first sync runs. Also consider enabling Photos complications on your watch face for quick access. Once the album is chosen, the transfer begins automatically. When the sync finishes, open Photos on the Apple Watch to confirm images appear. If they don't show, first check available watch storage and that the Watch app has permission to access photos. Then restart both devices and keep them close. Sometimes the initial transfer needs a reboot. If problems persist, remove the synced album in the Watch app, reboot devices, and reselect the album to force a fresh sync. That usually resolves permission or transfer glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.